Just thought I'd throw out a quick video on this AMD liquid cooling system that when you purchase the processor, you can also purchase the liquid cooling system. So just a word of advice, don't follow the directions completely. What you want to do first is when they say to assemble your snap ring assembly here, it's going to look kind of like this. Then they have these two little plastic pieces here that you're supposed to snap in. In the directions it says to snap these in first into the ring, then insert the thumb screw in through the actual plastic. Do not do this in this direction in these steps. I found out what best works is taking the thumb screw, putting in the first screw just like this, the plastic, slide it over first. Then take the snap ring, insert both pieces through the top of it, just like so. Then hold back. When you take this piece here, the bottom piece here, on the bottom that's touching the table, actually goes on first. So you take it, snap it on, as soon as everything gets aligned. Apply a little bit of pressure and snap. It's on just fine. If you try to do it the other way, you'll never get the thumb screw through the plastic. I had to reverse engineer it, unsnap those, which have little bitty plastic little tabs on the inside, which are very breakable. Highly recommend don't trying to do it the other way first. So there's that piece.